Spices are known for their aromas and flavors. While different cities, different parts of India use spices in a very different way. Today's episode, of course, is dedicated to a unique spice which is known as black gold and also at some point in time was traded as currency against commodities, very popularly, unpopularly known as the peppercorn rent. Ladies and gentlemen, the spice for the day today is black peppercorn. This is me, Varun, and welcome to Get Curried. The recipe, Dhaba-Style Paneer Kali Miri. Let's begin. Now, what's important is to understand and know that pepper grows as a climber. It climbs onto a palm tree or a coconut tree and things like that, so that it gets the vine to twine on the whole trunk, and that is very important. Now, when you choose peppercorn, what's important to check is that the color should be uniformly dark. It should be black. And the wrinkly skin or the wrinkly exterior is actually a quality you may check for a good quality black peppercorn. Let's move in to the recipe. And this one is regular vegetable oil. Let's begin with frying the pieces of paneer. Now, peppercorn, like I said earlier, also comes in various varieties. It all starts with the vine, like I said, and it begins with the green peppercorn. Now, green peppercorn is the unripe, uncooked pepper which is still on the twine. Now, when I show you this peppercorn, you see it's wrinkly and it's kind of got a very unique exterior, and that only comes because the skin dries out on the drupe itself. So that is your black peppercorn. White peppercorn is where the skin is removed and it just dries. That's why it's white in color. Then you have the red peppercorn, which is the green peppercorn which eventually ripens to become red. And then the fifth one is a pink peppercorn, which is a complete different spice, and it grows on the Brazilian pepper tree. Let's move on to quickly add in some red chili powder. And along with this, a touch of salt. Let's mix this and allow the paneer to get a crisp golden brown exterior. Let's lower the flame and remove the paneer in a bowl. In the same oil, let's crackle in some cumin seeds. Let's begin with onion paste. Time to add in some fresh curry leaves and along with this, whipped curd. Along with this, salt and a quick stir. Once oil starts releasing the sides of the pan, time to add in capsicum and cream. Time to add in the fried paneer pieces. Well, peppercorn in this recipe or even otherwise can be used in multiple ways. You could either use it in the oil. You can actually temper the whole gravy or the whole sauce with that. You can literally begin your recipe with that, or you can use it as a finishing spice. Now, in this recipe, I'm hand pounding it. Now, while I've shown you a dhaba style main course or a sauce or a gravy, you could also use pepper as a topping or an inclusion in your salads, in your soups, your stews. So you can use it in wondrous ways. You can use it as a dessert spice. You can use it in your beverages. The choices are absolutely ample and many. Now, you can use black peppercorn, of course, in your Indian cuisine, like I said earlier, but you can also use it internationally. You can have it on your pasta, you can have it on your pizzas, you can have it in your soups, desserts and things, of course, I've already spoken about. So a very, very, very unique spice, which can be used in multiple different ways, making it truly the king of spices, the king of Malabar coast. This, ladies and gentlemen, is one of my personal favorites using black pepper, which is your dhaba style Paneer Kali Miri. Well, in the comment section, do let us know what your favorite recipes of black pepper are, and I'll try and replicate those recipes for you. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.